So I have two really cool products from the company Neewer, both perfect for content creators. One is a really great desk rig for doing overhead camera shots and, well, just a lot of possibilities of how you can use this. Plus, Neewer has one of these flexible mounts with MagSafe on the end of it. So let's just see why these are actually very useful.
Mr. Black.
And by the way, welcome to the channel. I'll keep the formalities quick because this is probably going to be a quick video. But if you are new here, you like gadgets and gear, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button, and YouTube will keep feeding you that kind of content. I'll put the links, all of this stuff down in the description. And on this channel, we have looked at a bunch of Neewer products. They've always been really cool. I have lots of tripods, lanterns, sliders, all kinds of really cool stuff. But check this out right here. This is a desktop clamp with a tall arm that extends even taller, and actually even taller than that. This thing extends all the way up to like 41 inches or 105 centimeters. It has a ball head on the top, so you can mount your camera, you can mount a light, you can mount a microphone, you can mount, well, anything that you really want to. And with that ball head, you can angle it how you want. It has these great little rubber mechanisms for tightening and loosening down, and easy to just settle on any height that you want. It's very strong tubing, unlike some other ones that are out there that are very flimsy. This is just solid. But they also have this arm that can clamp on to that as well. What's nice about this is that you can put this at any height that you want. It opens up really wide, and then you can lock that into place. And now you have another little arm that sticks out, has a ball head on the end of that, and you can also even make this thing stick out even farther, giving you a total length about 20 inches or 51 centimeters. So perfect to clamp on your desk, put your camera on here or your phone. It does come with a phone mount, and you can easily use it to capture overhead shots if you're unboxing something, or maybe you're like drawing or doing some artwork. This is a great way to use that. And just throw a light on the top one so that you can light your desk nicely. Or you can put the camera up at the top and use this one here for a microphone. And it actually does come with different attachments to go to different microphone sizes. Now you have a really good podcast setup where you have your microphone. Depends on if you want to sit down or stand up. You can adjust this to whatever height you want. And right now you can pick this thing up under $50 US, and at the moment there's a coupon to save you even more. So do check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price, because this is easily the better quality version of this that I've seen. There's a lot that I've tried and they can be really flimsy and shake a lot. This thing is solid. It's very, very strong. All right, so the next one I wanted to share with you is this flexible MagSafe mount. Let's say you want to grab some content on the go. This thing easily fits in your bag, or you can wrap it around your bag. If you wanted to vlog, you can pop your phone on here with MagSafe, whether it's vertical or landscape, and then you can actually hold it out like a selfie stick, giving you that distance when you're vlogging. You can also coil it up and make a little tripod stand. And the MagSafe on the end is really nice. It's got a strong hinge on here, so you can angle it whichever way you want. And mainly you're gonna be using this to wrap around poles. You can wrap it around your neck and get like a quick POV shot if you need to. Or you can wrap it around a branch or a fence. Anything you need if you wanna get like a time lapse or set this up to do like a TikTok dance. I really highly doubt anyone watching this right now does TikTok dances, but you might know someone that does, and this would make an excellent gift. It also has a screw thread on the bottom, so you could attach it to other mounts, or even like attach a light or a microphone onto that and have some kind of really cool vlogging setup. But all in all, I've seen these kinds of flexible mounts before, and the fact that it has MagSafe on the end of it just makes it that much easier and quicker to get the shot that you need with your phone, and just a lot more hassle-free. So it's really a really cool design, and this comes in under $25 US, especially with a small little coupon code that you can select. Again, check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price. But there you go. Just wanted to share both of those Neewer products with you. I'm a fan of the brand. They make some really good stuff, and stuff that I've had for like 5 years and still using to this day because the quality lasts. In fact, if you want to see some of the other Neewer videos I've made, you can check out any of the ones that are on the screen. Just go ahead and give it a click, or you can click this one right here that YouTube thinks you will want to see the most. It's got like really smart algorithms knowing this is the one for you. So yeah, click it.